here I will tell you everything you need to know.
Hello guys, today I want to teach you how you can actually use kolanut to check instead of you to be killing yourself for a cowrie, because there are a lot of video I've made. So people say I cannot get cowrie. Why would I? Where can I get cowrie? You can actually use kolanut to check in place of cowrie. Yes, you can use kolanut to check in place of cowrie. So this is kolanut that I've already cut. You can see this. So this is kolanut. Once you have gotten your kolanut, any color, so after you have gotten that kolanut, you can see them. Okay, after you have gotten the kolanut, cut it out in the sense that you have two sides, which is the back. This is the back, and this is the front. The inner side we consider as the front, and the back side we consider as the back. So this is the back, and this is the front. So this you can also use to check. You have one, you can see another one, back and front too. You can see the way I cut it so that it has only back and front. This is 3 and this is 4. So you can actually use this one to check instead of cowrie. Now do the camera closer, let me show them. Now this is it. You can see this, right? Closer. You can see this now. Now you have this. Maybe you want to check just like the way the cowrie is. Remember, if to turn back like this, if to turn front like this, to turn back, this is 100. This is yes. This is yes. At this one, by the time you throw this and everything turn like this is 100% yes. By the time you turn like this is no. So when 3 turns back and 1 turn front, so this is no. And when you throw it, 1 turn back and 3 turn front, this is other probability, maybe. You can see the difference. So this is maybe if 1 turns back. But by the time you have 2 like this, it's yes. What you have to understand in this is that by the time you are checking, using this cowrie to check, and you are checking like this, and maybe you throw it, you see something like this, and this one is close to this, you see something like this, and this one close, they arrange themselves is like this. It's telling you that the chance is 50-50. Let's say, for example, I was to ask, will I die this year? Now you can see what they turn, so which is 100%, which is no. This one means no. Will I die? I'm asking them now if I will die this year. So you can see now this means 100. This means what? This is no. By the time the turn turns back, and this one turns back, which is what? Which is no. You understand? Okay. Let me ask them. Yes, will somebody send me money this evening? I want to know if I will receive money this evening. Now you can see this. This one is other probability. So you can see this is other probability. When you are asking this, when you are asking them questions, the directions, the pattern they form also matters. Like this one now, that is other probability. But even if somebody is going to send me money, it's going to be a woman or a girl. Because if it turns back like this, it's a woman. If this one now, like we consider the back, sorry, we consider the front as a woman, then we consider the back as a man. So if it turns, even if somebody is going to send me money, is going to be a woman. Since they have said this in which is other probability, for me to know the actual result, then I will not throw it again without asking anything. I will throw it. That's still telling me the same thing. Other probability, which is going to be a woman that is going to send me money. With the woman you are talking about now, look at it. With this woman, this one is talking about money here. Yes, with this woman you are talking about now that will send me this money, will she send them before 12 o'clock this night? Because I said today. So the spirit can consider night as not today. So that's why I want to find out now. Will she send the money today before 12 a.m.? Will she? They say no. So which means somebody that is going to send me money, they say yes, other probability, but a woman is going to send me money, which means it's not today. That is why you see 3 turn back and 1 turn front. This woman is going to send me money, but not today, not before 12 a.m. It's after 12 a.m. this night. That is when this woman will send me this money. 100% yes. Which means I should be expecting money from a woman anything from 12 a.m. and above. You can see it. You can see the way the thing is lined up, which means a woman is going to send me money. This is the line. So what you have to know about reading this kolanut is that they speak the way cowrie speaks. They draw pattern the way cowries draw pattern. Okay, so if you can actually read cowrie, you can actually read kolanut. Definitely, I'm actually making a book on how to read cowries. I'm actually making a book on how to read cowries. So if you can actually learn how to read cowries, you can actually what learn. You can actually, if you know how to read cowries perfectly, you can also read kolanut. And I'm working on the ebook for how to read cowries, because there are some people that paid me for it in order to make the work easier for me. So I'm making an ebook for it. At the same time, I know me making video on it will be very simple for me. So once I'm done with making the ebook, then I will make video, a complete video on it. I can stay one day and make a complete video on it, and that complete video I'm going to make on it will cover up. So with that video and the book, I believe you don't need my attention. Anybody that pays just for me to set everything for you, you get yourself covered. So now let's go back to the what this thing again. Now you can see this, you understand. And what you have to know about this is that they can gossip a lot. You can ask them a particular question, they will be telling you another thing, they will be gossiping. Like without saying anything, I can show them now. They're telling me yes. Yes about what? Yes, a leading is good to send me money. That's the continue from where I stopped before. You can ask them about something now, right? Maybe another person, you are checking for people, another person come. They can continue from where they were telling you before. Maybe they were telling you about a particular person before. They continue from there. So it's left for you to know that yes, they continue sorry. That's why you need to also apply your wisdom. So the pattern, the form, the faces, how the face can determine what they are telling you. So reading cowries or reading kolanuts is the same thing. The way you read cowries, that's how you read kolanut. So in the next time you want to do anything, and you want to find out by yourself or whatever. Now I want to try this on sporty base. Now this is sporty base, right? There's this road spin that I bought to, which is up, yes, sorry, up and down. So I want to ask them now which side will win. For example, hope you can all see my phone. Okay, now let me ask them. Yes, I choose down. Down will win. Oto, mechuto, otora win. Down will win. Down will win. Make I play down. This down will win. The down will win. The down will win. The down will win. They are telling me no. Okay, up. Remember, when you're asking them, confirm it up to 3 to 4 times before you agree on. Because you, as a beginner, you might not know when they are continuing from where you stop and when they are telling the new one. So that's why you have to try 3 to 4 5 times first to confirm. Yes, make I play down. Down. Choose down. I will win if I choose down. They are telling me no. Okay, 100% no. I should choose up. Up we win. Up we win. Up. They are telling me yes. So let me play the up I see. Now you see, you see, as simple as that. Now they tell me yes, up we win, and truly up wins. Now, I will continue again. Now, okay, let me choose up again. Up we win again. Up we win again. They are still telling me yes, so I can still try the same up. Now you can see this as simple as ABCD. So try this method I'm telling you. You know that reading cowries and reading kolanut is the same thing. This is just a living proof. Hope the thing is showing on the screen, right? So this is just a living proof. You can see this work 100%. Okay, so most of all those demonstrations I did, I just put 500 and you can see how much is there. So I really don't have time for this, but I just want to show you guys, for those of you that want to help themselves. Okay, for those of you that just want to help themselves. So even when it comes to game, you can actually use this this to select, like maybe like select game. Like for example, now I can enter game like this. I'll just enter to this game. Let's say to this game now. Now this is Italy versus Bosnian and Ezion. I will ask them, this Bosnian, don't mind my Togo. Italy and Bosnian, Italy will win. Will Italy win? Will Italy win? So I can play this. They are telling me yes, Italy will win. So confirm this. Italy will win. You see? Yes, which means Italy will win. Then you select. So as simple as that. So guys, if you think I've done wonderfully well, I've taught you this, and you think don't just watch my video and go, subscribe, like, share, and anything you don't understand, ask question. I will definitely get back to you. See you guys in the next video. The See always cares.